With these new Alienware monitors with the Legend ID, we are really trying to bring the best technologies available to gamers. The big thing for us on the Alienware 27 gaming monitor is that this is a 240 hertz monitor. And once you get to that speed, it is as near to life as you could possibly imagine. We have this new technology called fast IPS, and basically 1 pixel is able to refresh its image within 2 milliseconds. The combined technology, the 240 hertz refresh rate and then the sub 2 millisecond response time is really important for the gamers out there that know that every millisecond counts. The Alienware 27 is a 1080p monitor. Gamers who are still playing in 1080p are doing so because they're looking for the speed. On the Alienware 34 curved gaming monitor, the gamer who wants that product is a little bit more interested in immersion. This one's featuring IPS nano color. It gives us an ability to expand the available color range. No matter which way you look on this monitor, you're going to have an excellent color viewing experience. Another really important feature of both of these Alienware monitors is variable sync. As a graphics card is ready to push out a new frame, the monitor will wait for that frame and then display it all at once. So that way you just have a crisp, clear image all the time.